People love to say that knowledge is power, but in reality, not all information is treated the same. I mean, if I'm working in an office, do I really care when Daryl from the warehouse is taking a personal day? Well, thankfully, there's an easy way to manage all of this. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the latest add-on from Vacation Tracker, the Visibility Manager, can help you cut through the noise for your employees and ensure that they don't get lost in a sea of information. Hey, Dave from Vacation Tracker here, and in today's very short video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can purchase and use the Visibility Manager add-on. Now to start, log into your Vacation Tracker account and navigate to that left-hand menu. Over here, we're going to click on add-ons and you'll be brought to this page. On this page, you'll notice that there are two tabs, My Add-ons and Discover More Add-ons. My Add-ons, as the name implies, are any add-ons you've currently purchased or subscribed to. Whereas Discover More Add-ons will list all the add-ons the Vacation Tracker currently offers, as well as a few that are still currently in production. In your case, when you log in, your screen might look slightly different as I am currently using a demo account. What you're going to want to do is navigate to the Discover More Add-ons tab and make sure you find the Visibility Manager card and click on Review and Buy. Once you do so, it'll ask you to confirm. And once you click on yes, it'll be brought to this page where you can click on View to manage the settings. Once inside, you'll now have the option to limit visibility for your users simply by selecting yes or no. So let's click on yes to move forward. Next, we'll need to select what users can see by choosing their visibility scope. And in this case, we're going to limit them to their department only. Now, before I click on Save to proceed, I do want to point out these two informational boxes that just appeared. Starting with the first one, it essentially describes what each type of user is going to see moving forward. In short, regular users will now be limited to information from their department only, but approvers will not only see information from their department, but any department they are an approver for. And of course, admins will still see everything. The other message lets you know that any shared calendars and notifications that were created before these Visibility Manager settings go live will most likely need to be manually deleted if they do not comply with the new rules. Now with that being said, we're going to click on Save to proceed. You'll notice that now the Visibility add-on is being completed, and once completed, your users now will be limited to their respective views. To give you an idea of how much of a difference this can make for your users, here's a look at a before and after, starting with the before. And now after. And now your employees will rejoice as they no longer need to see vacation updates from 20 different departments. Thanks again for watching this video. We do hope you find it helpful and informative, but as always, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them right down below and we will respond promptly. I'll also remind you that if you are using Vacation Tracker, you have access to our world-class support team that can answer all questions not necessarily related to just the Visibility Manager. Happy vacationing!